Let's talk about bootstrapping zero rates. Suppose we are given the information about several bonds in the market that are traded, and you can see that this information includes the face value of the bonds, the time to maturity, coupon rates, and bond prices. And given these, we can extract the zero rates from this market prices of traded bonds. And zero rates are, of course, useful in calculating the present value of any kind of cash flow. So that's a fundamentally important topic. So if you start extracting the zero rates, you should start with the shortest time to mature. In this case, it is like 3 months time. Coupon rate is 0, and you are investing $97.5 in order to get a face value of $100 basically in 3 months time. So if you want to calculate the continuous compounding return for this, basically what you need to do is, let's say, the zero rate for the 0.5 maturity, you calculate this by 4 times. So if we use continuous compounding, then we should use the natural log here, and our basically return is multiplied by 4 because this has 3 months maturity, and it will compound basically 4 times in a year. And here you have $2.5 return from your investment of $97.5. Okay, so this gives you the zero rate. You can do the calculation here. And similarly, if you want to calculate the zero rate for 0.5, sorry, this is 0.25. For the 0.5, you have 2 times ln. Now you should notice that you are going to receive $5.1, and your investment is here 94.9. Okay, again, you can do the math here. And let me also write down the zero rate here. And that's going to be just, again, you have $10 return from your investment of $90. Okay, so these are already calculated here, and you can see that the zero rate for our 3 month maturity is around 10%. For the 6 month bond, again, if we do the math here, it is about 0.1046 as the zero rate for the 6 months time to maturity. And similarly, we have for the 1 year, it is already calculated here, 0.1053. And the fourth bond, which lasts for 1.5 years, now notice that the information that we obtained regarding the previous short zero rates will be useful here now. Now this bond has a coupon payment, so we need to consider that again. Here you can see the coupon rate is 8% per annum, assuming that these coupon payments are semi-annual. So we have $4 and we have 100 plus $4 for the last 1.5 year time to maturity. So you can discount each of these cash flows with the appropriate zero rate. So basically for the half year, you need to use the half year zero rate here. For the 1 year, because you will receive this $4 in 1 year, so you need to discount it with the 1 year zero rate. And the unknown here is the 1.5 year zero rate, which we denote by this capital R. So if we solve this equation, basically we can get the 1.5 year zero rate as 10.68%. And you do the similar operation by discounting all the cash flow with the appropriate zero rates. So notice that for the last coupon bond here you have 12%, so every 6 months you will get $6. So each of those $6 will be discounted by again using the appropriate zero rates, and you need to solve again one equation with respect to the only one unknown, which is the 2 year zero rate. So if you follow exactly the same procedure, the 2 year zero rate can be calculated as 10.80%.